Looking to change or switch accounts in lordsmobile? Hey everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy, and today I'll walk you through the steps to switch between accounts in lordsmobile, making it simple to handle different game profiles. Let's dive in. First, open lordsmobile on your device. Next, tap on the gear icon at the bottom of the screen to access settings. In the settings menu, select the account option. Here you'll find an option, Switch Account in Device. Go ahead and tap on it. Now select the Google account option. Select the Login button to change the current linked account. Select Yes button and hit Confirm. And there you have it. Changing linked account or switching account in lordsmobile is that simple. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Make Gaming Easy for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.